Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be going over some new items from Growing Modestly. I'll have this link down in the description. There's a mixture of items that I received, so I'm just going to show you all of the things and yeah, just flip through all of this stuff. So lots of stickers, and actually I really love these first items. They are vellum pages that are already pre-punched for your planner. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can see the little punch edges. These are classic. I think there's different sizes, but for sure there's classic. So these are great if you have a clear cover, which I have a few of those from Live Love Posh, and you could put this in front of the clear cover. Let me see if I can find one of them actually. So if you have like a cover where you can like see through it, like this frosted one, and then you can just pop these in and change up the look of your planner seasonally. That's always fun to do. I like that you can see through them because it's vellum. So we have this pumpkin pattern here, the like pink and orange pumpkin pattern, which is really pretty. We have this one that has the bicycles, the pumpkins, and then we have more of the fall items on this one. And then, oh, this one's so cute with the little treats. That one's adorable. So we have a few patterns that are going to be available. Also, you could use these to change up your covers too with those clear covers. We have some scrapbook paper. So this one's a fun green pattern here. We have these stripes, and they are double-sided. And then we have an orange one. That one's really nice too. And then we have the plaid. So pretty. So you can get those from her shop. I'm gonna go over these tiny little stickers next. So we have this that is a freebie with all the little deco stickers. This is a little journaling card. You can like punch that and put that into your planner. It says you can find me at the pumpkin patch. And then we have these cute little sticker sheets. All right, the first one has these really cute pink trucks and tractors. Super adorable. These would be great for a scene. And then you do get a blue version with the same truck designs. So you can choose one or the other or both. We have these really pretty leaves, fall leaves, pumpkins. Let's see the pumpkins. I love all the orange and pink stuff. Mushrooms are definitely trending. So we got some mushrooms, of course. Cozy fall blankets. Farmhouse fall doorsteps. Some really nice autumn words. Oh, in 2 colorways. And they actually have like print on them. Some like leaf print. This one has like some owls. Sorry, I had to like look at it a little bit closely, but I like that it has like a pattern within the quotes. All right, so those were like the smaller sticker sheets that released, and I don't think I received everything. I think there's like a mixture of stuff, so definitely check out the site. Next, I have some like bundles. You'll have to check the site again too, because I'm not sure if like you can buy these separately or if you get them together. Definitely check it out. But I have this first theme, which is Mothy Moths. That's cute. So here is the washi, like these thick washi stickers that you can like cut down easily with some washi or with an X-Acto knife and a ruler. So we have Mothy Moths, and then here's another sheet. And then we have the deco, all the moths, and then the functional stickers right here, with some headers, bullet points, boxes, lots of all the things you need actually for a spread. So that is the first kit, Mothy Moths, really pretty. The next one, let's see, we got, let me get all of it together. Okay. The next one is called, oh, sorry, I'm missing one. Autumn Celebration Floral Florals. Okay, I'm not sure if this is all together, but I think let's just do all the autumn floral stuff. All right, so the first thing is this washi stickers, and then you get a thicker one. I really like the text on that one. That one's really nice. Look at these florals, those are really pretty. And then you get the boxes, all the functional boxes on this one. Then we have Autumn Celebration floral bouquets and floral frames. So a good mixture of different, like, really pretty floral. I really love these like larger ones. I tend to gravitate more towards these type of florals when they're like bigger. I just feel like they make more of an impact on the page. So love those. And then all the cute little other items that come with that collection. All right, so that was autumn florals. And then we have a Pinktober boho pumpkins. And then it says, okay, I was just reading this. All proceeds from this sticker sheet will be donated to the National Breast Cancer Awareness Foundation. So just wanted to note that all of the income from this will go to that foundation. So that's really nice. So you got all these like pink pumpkins, so pretty. And then, oh, these are cute. We got some groovy fall quotes. And so far these have all been paper stickers. So we have some nice, I like that font. That's another thing that's been trending, is that groovy aesthetic. Oh, actually this goes with it too. So we have groovy fall bouquets. Oh, sorry, floral bouquets. So this could go all together. Here's the first sheet with all the florals, and then you get some of the larger ones. I love the colors on that one. And then next we have some red delicious apple clusters. Let me get all of these actually. Okay, so we got a few sheets. So here's the first one with all the apples. This one's kind of like washi, well, it's like decorative kind of washi. Oh yeah, apple washi. Red delicious apple clusters. We got the clusters of the apples. Then we have frames. Nice. And then wreaths. So lots of different ways the apples were used for these. That's really cool. All right, next we have the toadstools, aka mushrooms. So you get like 4 of these large stickers in these fun colorways. So there's that one. And then we have cozy fall blankets, which were similar to those little tiny ones. So these are just like the larger versions of those smaller ones. Farmhouse fall doorsteps. I really like this one. That one's really cool. We have fall quotes. We have a bunch of quotes on this one. Sweater weather. Fall reminds us of how beautiful change can be. Fall is in the air. Again, these are all paper. Then we have the trucks in the larger sheets too. These are really nice size. I really like these two colorways because these are like the perfect, I love both of these colors, so that's really cool that she has the teal and the pink. All right, and then next we have fall leaves. Again, these are like those smaller ones I showed earlier. And then hey pumpkin, hey pumpkin, cute. I love the colors. All right, so those are all of the items that I received from Growing Modestly. Definitely check out her site. She just reopened her shop. She's been closed for a bit. So definitely check it out. Check out all the new items that are there. There's lots of nice fall items that will cover you for all those lovely fall spreads. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.